Good morning. Violence and hostilities, some perhaps stray in nature, have been attracting great attention. Global markets have been swinging to the beat of political turmoil in the Middle East and North Africa and its impact on crude oil. Hostilities in Libya have intensified, especially around oil assets. Even Saudi Arabia has been witnessing sporadic protest. As if the geopolitical risks were not enough, we have been hit by a few not so encouraging global economic data. China has reported the worst trade deficit in 7 years. Japan's GDP for the Q4 of the current year has been lowered. South Korea has hiked rates again. Spain's debt rating has been downgraded. US weekly jobless claim data has increased while its trade deficit has worsened. For India, though there is some good news in the form of robust exports and steep drop in food inflation, January IIP data will be out today. Expectations are low and we do not rule out a positive surprise in the data. The Nifty is likely to be range bound between 5,400 to 5,560. A breakout of this band either side will determine the short-term direction. A close below 5,490 could reverse the short-term uptrend. The broader trading range for Nifty appears to be between 5,300 to 5,700. Watch out for monthly inflation figures and mid-quarter RBI review. Equity shares of Sudhar Garments Limited and Fionatex Chemical Limited will list today. Shares of Indian Terrain Fashions Limited will list today pursuant to a scheme of arrangement announced by Celebrity Fashions Limited. The IPO of Lovable Lingerie has been subscribed by more than 10 times. The issue closes today. The QIP portion closed on Thursday. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 971 million on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional investors were net buyers at Rs 1.08 billion on the same day. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 5.94 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 2.06 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 1.8 billion in the cash segment on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise going short on Sisa March futures below Rs 274 with a target price of Rs 262 and a stop loss placed at Rs 280. We advise going short on Infosys March futures in the range of Rs 3,130 to Rs 3,140 with a stop loss placed at Rs 3,173 and for the target price of Rs 3,044. Our derivative strategy for the day are: short Exide Industry March futures in the range of Rs 133 to Rs 134 with a target price of Rs 128 and a stop loss placed at Rs 136. Long PNB March futures in the range of Rs 1,065 to Rs 1,068 for the target price of Rs 1,095 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 1,053. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.